What's up, everyone? This is Henry here, and I want to make a little quick shorts on my first slabs that I just got in from ST Stacker at his auction. Shout out to him. I got these at a still basically at an auction. I think everyone just let me get these, bid on these for low, and they are gorgeous, guys. I might flip these. I don't know. I might not because these are my first ever slabs. And yeah, this sack of jewelry is gorgeous. I have one of these, but it's not in that condition, obviously. Then got this right here, MS70. Then I got a 69 right here, gorgeous. The other side is gorgeous as well. But I will not be posting any videos today. I got to go to a family reunion pretty soon here. So wish me luck on that. I'll be meeting some folks I've never met before. I'm excited to do that. And yeah, guys, I will be doing another full stack video sometime this week, so stay tuned for that. I still got to get a few more items in, but other than that, I hope you guys stay safe and have and enjoy your weekend. Peace out, guys.